So guys, right now tell me in the comment section how many of you would like to see Kevin Durant and LeBron James on the same team, and that team being the Lakers, because according to an NBA journalist named Brandon Robinson, he says he has a source close to Kevin Durant who has told him that KD is going to join the Lakers. Now right here we can see it. It's all public information. He said, spoke to a source today who confirmed Kevin Durant will join the LA Lakers next year. He said just like LeBron planned his move to LA a year ago, KD is doing the same thing right now. They want to form the best duo in the NBA and set up KD to be the face of the Lakers post LeBron James. I'm just reporting the news, but I don't trust this dude Brandon Robinson. He's well known, as you guys can see. You know, he's verified on Twitter. He's an NBA journalist, so he wouldn't lie because his credibility is on the line. But when you look at this, he said, spoke to a source today who confirmed Kevin Durant will be in LA next year. And then he said, just like LeBron planned his move to LA, KD is doing the same thing right now. They want to form the best duo in the NBA and set up KD to be the face of the Lakers post LeBron. That makes no sense. They as in who? They as in KD and LeBron? They want to form the best duo? Or they as in the Lakers want to make the best duo with Kevin Durant and LeBron James? How can KD be the face of the Lakers post LeBron? We know LeBron signed for 4 years. When Kevin Durant joins, LeBron would have 3 years left on his NBA contract with the Lakers, meaning KD would be willing to wait 3 years until LeBron either retires or leaves the Lakers to be the face of the Lakers. That makes no sense. Like, listen, I don't know if you guys are believing this. I don't believe it. We're going to see what happens when the time comes when KD's a free agent, because I don't trust this at all. But just thinking about it, I don't see Kevin Durant leaving the Warriors where he's beating and dominating LeBron James and go help LeBron. That makes no sense. Kevin Durant's in competition with LeBron. I don't think as a competitor Kevin Durant will leave the Warriors to go join LeBron when that's his rival. But then again, Kevin Durant did leave the Thunder to go join the Warriors. So with KD, anything can happen. You can't trust snakes. They can flip on a dime. But you guys let me know what you think, and I'm out.